guys, Asad Firm back with you again with another video. And this video we are replacing these spark plugs. Okay, this will be the spark plugs, and this is going to be for a Kia Cerato and Kia Forte 2012. Alright, this is the part number, genuine part. This is a spark plug. Ours is worn out, so we're going to be replacing that, and it's going to be here. We will show you how to open this and change the spark plugs. Okay guys, so we will be removing the bolts. It is number 10. Okay, there's only 4. Okay guys, once you remove all the bolts, this is just a flip up, and here you got your 4 ignition coils, again with number 10 bolts, and underneath this ignition coils you will have your spark plugs. Make sure you disconnect the power. There's a clip, and then just pull it out. Move that aside, you have better clearance. Once you're done removing the bolts, you can remove your ignition coils. It's clean. We have to check for oil. Oh, this one is flooded with oil, so means the seal inside is broken, and we need to replace this first before changing our spark plugs. That's the 3rd ignition coil. We'll check the others. This one is okay. This one is okay, maybe a little. So guys, never change your spark plugs when you see that you have an oil inside. Make sure you open them first, change the seals inside, and then change your spark plugs, because there's no use of changing spark plugs if you will have an oil inside the chamber. Okay guys, here's the continuation of our video. I'm sorry we didn't take a video because we were on a rush and we had to get the gasket rocker cover, which is their seal. So I'll let you know what we did. You have a cover here, and then you have 10 size 10 bolts in these area here. So you have like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, which you have to open in order to access this one, and you have to remove your coil pack. And this is gasket rocker cover. These are your seal. Okay, that's your part number. I don't know if you can see it. I can't see it, but yes, this will be the one going around here and around that area. Okay, with these, the outer bolts we have just put in, we haven't tightened them up yet. You have two more here and this side too, and you have to disconnect this oil. Okay, this is for your extra oil, and then you have another one this side, which is in here, and then you have your plugs. Okay guys, car is working. We just put the cover now. I haven't put this one yet. I started the car to check the car is running. It's okay now. Car is moving. Car is working. Everything is intact. Now I just have to put the cover and done. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. Drive safe.